Hello everyone. This is everyone's favorite. It's a some era 1980s Ford Ranger, or at least there's about 3 feet of Ford Ranger frame left. We'll go through all the different modifications, but I'll give you a quick walk around and see what it looks like. What's really neat is that we've made this so that almost anybody can drive it. If you look at my Facebook page, there's a picture of my granddaughter on my lap driving it. Has really easy power steering. It's got an automatic transmission and just a lot of fun. It's everybody's favorite thing here. For anybody that doesn't think I'm an environmentalist with all my crazy toys, this truck runs on propane, so I think you could call it green. Rear view of the Buggy, you can notice the radiator is aft mounted, and this has 2.5 ton military axles with 49-inch Super Swampers. Right now a central disc brake, but I've got 4-wheel disc brakes that are going to be going on to it. You can also see the 4-link setup. It's super heavy duty. Air shocks. There's no springs in the rear, just nitrogen. Tires are 49.5-inch Super Swampers, and those are 16.5-inch Hummer wheels with beadlocks. That's that red ring that actually bolts and holds the tire to the rim so it can't flip off. One end is kind of a cool look, I think, but we've got a 12,000-pound winch, and again 2.5 ton military axles. They have 671 gears, which helps with the 50-inch tires. Full hydraulic steering. This does have coilover shocks, but they're still reservoir shocks, so they're gas. And a 4-link to keep everything under control. Apologize for the dirtiness of the engine, but this is a Ford 302 roller cam Mustang engine. We've got a tarantula intake manifold on it with the propane mixer, custom made headers, and an HEI distributor, which is fairly unique for Ford, but I try to put HEIs on everything. They just run so well. Looking at the interior, the first thing you notice is the doors. They're really cool because they use the stock door handle and latch, but they're tube. And they swing and open. They even use the same hinges. Going in, pretty rough, but Beard super seats, super comfortable. You can see the cage protects you. And you see all these shift levers. This truck has 2 transfer cases. You can put it in double low and then first gear in the transmission, and it will go about a 0.5 mile an hour.